first ones here, I guess.
Great talking point, Lucy. I feel like we really made a strong connection here today.
Oh. Well, I guess we all have different definitions of connection, don't we? Although I am curious what it is about this specific interaction that you were being mean. I see.
We can't be the first ones here. I'm usually late to this, and I was late to this time.
Then where is anybody?
Living in a fantasy world?
I mean, yeah, sure, but like tangibly though, where?
They were all fired.
Wait, Bob, what do you mean everybody's fired?
Good. This site has been suppressing my true voice for far too long.
Well, your true voice is usually at least mildly racist, so.
White pride is nothing to be ashamed of. We ended slavery.
Sick. Finally get to work on my book.
Wow, I didn't know you can write.
Oh, yo, check it. It's called Vlogtown, and it's a series of short stories told in images from my vlog about vlogging. It's a Vloffy table book.
I feel like you guys sort of sprinted right past the part where your boss said that everyone was fired.
Ooh, I also haven't said anything for a while.
We've been bought by a company called Simple Works with an X. They're gonna take us in move us in a new sort of direction. An innovolutionary direction. They're gonna do that via interactive digital? Via interactive content modularity algorithms through disruptive collaboration of omni-platform conversions and multi-channel mobile immersions. Yeah, that.
What exactly does that mean?
Collaboration of omni-platform convergence and multi-channel mobile immersions. Yes.
What?
Great question, thank you. I would say that the takeaway here, how you'll explain this to your employees, in layman's terms, and this is very important. Very important.
You also have your jobs.
And you still have your house, money, reputation, and wife.
What?
I was going to sue you for wrongful termination.
And then steal his wife?
I assumed she'd come peacefully.
Okay, but Webical has had hundreds of content creators. Why us?
Do you want the lie or the truth?
The truth.
Lie.
Truth.
Lord, we didn't all say truth.
Go Team Y!
Lies.
I pulled your names out of a hat. Okay, let's see. I guess I went through everyone's name in the company and I rolled a dice, right? And if it was an even number, I put it into column A. Odd, it went into, let's call it column B. I did this with everyone, and then I put all of the column B names into the garbage. Then I went through column A again, and I flipped a coin this time. Heads, it went into column A prime. Tails, column B prime, and then eventually the garbage. I did this all day until I arrived at you remaining few. So it looks like Lady Luck is dancing for you. I don't know how she operates.
That's dumb. You should have just pulled names out of a hat or something.
Hi, you do realize that both the truth and the lie are equally insulting, right? And that we all heard both?
Yeah, of course, I'm not an idiot.
Well, thanks, Bob. It's nice to feel valued. You know, everyone has a different opinion of what constitutes a connection, but I like
I
to...
didn't say valued. There's a minimum number of heads required to run this site. I want to be clear, in the eyes of the company, you're not valuable, just technically essential for now.
All right. Technically essential for now.
How are we supposed to keep the site running?
Everyone's going to be taking on a few extra jobs, but comparable compensation increases are, not planned. I apologize for how optimistic my tone was at the beginning of that sentence.
Dibs on IT. I'm gonna host us on my private servers, but I'm gonna be in Belize for a while doing research on that new sex drug, so someone's gonna have to watch my birds.
I'll do it if I can cast your vote this election cycle.
There's only ever one candidate, Dana, and their name is King American Corruption III. Also, I usually just write in nice try, so yeah, you can have it.
Wait. You're just gonna give your vote away? I mean, don't you care about
My
what...
birds? Completely and truly, yes.
Then I will take care of them for you, and you do not owe me anything.
Well, this gets into my home. Please move my home on street sweeping day.
You live in a car full of birds?
I live in the constructs of human perception. I sleep in a car full of birds.
Lucky.
I know.
Well, I haven't been listening. I'm going to leave now.
Oh, wait. You're gonna need this, okay? It goes to a bunker. It's under a tree. The tree is behind where the sun is alone, but light cannot reach. Where grass does not grow, but the combination is 5, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Vic, we have servers and people to maintain them and people to run them. I didn't just keep on a bunch of bloggers.
So, where are the rest at? It's Party Wednesday.
At home with their families, as I will be 10 minutes from now. Party Wednesday is for children, of which I have 6, which is your right.
Too many.
But we've all got our things. So keep it up. The work, your chins, all of it. I'm going to leave now.
Do we have assignments?
Oh, dude.
Yes, do a think piece about, like, move over, butt stuff, gourmet macaroons, or the new baby sloths or whatever. And then all of you find ways to support Taylor's video content.
Oh, hell yeah! Chaboom! Woo! Why?
The slavering army of millennials that watch all your videos is the only way this site makes money. You are valuable, while still remaining technically essential for now. Your name was written down well before the hat ever came into the equation. Or the dice, whatever I told you.
I got you. Drift catcher.
Wait, so we're just supposed to, like, enjoy Party Wednesday now?
I don't recall telling you to enjoy it, but you can. You all still have jobs, so celebrate. Or call one of the many people who lost their jobs today and trade with them. Either is fine.
It's really sad.
Yes, it is, but, you know, it just goes to show you whatever lesson you learned from all of this. I'm going to leave now. Yes, hello to you all as well. This was a good talk.
In Hawaii, that means hello and goodbye.
Well, I can't tell if this is good or bad.
Ping pong?
Yeah.
Pool.
We don't have pool.
We should dig a pool.
I'm in. I just gotta put these in my bed.
Yo, Taylor Tots! Thanks for punching another Taylor Talk. I didn't get fired today. Woo! So pumped. That means a lot of more informative videos just like this one coming at you. So let's eat some string cheese while ping pong happens in the background.
How many views does that have?
870, no. Million.
Ooh, I fuck with some gourmet macaroons right now. That is no joke.
Don't
son.
swear.
Sorry. A portion of your RSU grants have vested. If the strike price accelerates
Ooh, sounds fast.
or year previous. Does anybody know how many dividends in a tax thing?
Okay, seems fair. Vest. Stock. That's a stock thing. Ha ha!
Right. But I keep getting these emails. I don't know if I'm supposed to do something.
Nah. I mean, I don't know. Maybe. Probably. I didn't know whether to keep them or delete them, so I've been printing them out and throwing those away.
It's intentionally vague and convoluted, right? It's like they don't actually want us to understand, which makes me think that I probably should understand it. You know?
That has not been the way I've approached life.
I'm just worried that if I don't do the right thing, then they get my money.
Wake up! They already have your money. Accountants are the highest paid profession. Why? Money magic. Think any of that even exists? It's carrots on a stick. RSU stands for real, sorry, The promise of monetary incentive with no follow-through doesn't exist.
He's breathing. Quick, someone interject.
You don't think our stock is real?
No, don't ask him questions.
Arbitrary points and badges, my friend, designed to keep you addicted to competition against your fellow gammas. No more tangible than the air we breathe.
Yeah. Yeah, you're probably right. So give me yours.
No, he's not. Air is tangible, though, like made up of elements and molecules.
Looks like the strike price is $9.50 a share today. I'll give you 25% of the strike price on your options in real, tangible money in exchange for all of your arbitrary shares.
Pretty sure that's not how buying stock works.
You don't know how stock works.
She makes a good point.
You can have it all. Deal. But show me the money.
What's that from?
Negotiations throughout history.
Stop. I'll buy those shares at 50%.
Sorry, we already have a verbal contract.
Oh, no, not from him, from you. I will buy his shares from you at 50%. You'll double your money in seconds.
60%.
Absolutely not. Check okay?
We're not even in a trading window, for one thing. Whatever the heck that is.
Checks aren't real either. They're just pieces of paper with an autograph and a number. Any number you want to write.
Right! No, I mean, oh, kind of. We don't even know how much stock he has. He probably doesn't even know. This is essentially Storage Wars with a stock portfolio.
I'd watch that show or host it. Stock Wars, the Empire Strike Price, the Dana story.
It's already a show. It's called Congress. Wake up.
Just bring up a good point, Vic. How many of your RSUs have vested and how many options in your portfolio?
I don't know. How many angels you got in your box of magic beans?
0 if the box is full of beans.
Does an angel even fit in a box made for beans?
Oh my God. Nobody knows how much stock they have. This is exciting. Okay. I will sell all of my shares right now for $1,200.
11.
13.5. I see his bonuses.
14 wooden nickels, 23 doubloons, 87 good vibes.
$1,601!
Ah!
I got swept up.
Sold! You were closest without going over. If you have that much, do you?
Check okay?
Will it bounce?
I don't have a checkbook.
Vic, are those good vibes still on the table?
I have a checkbook. I could give you a loan, Lucy, but I'm gonna need 14 points on the VIG.
Subprime?
Look at her. She's an internet writer who lives in her sister's wall.
It's a Murphy bed.
Of course it's subprime.
Bundle it with those stocks. I will buy that loan.
Deal. Lucy, your loan has been transferred to the Bank of Bob.
Oh, the B.O.B.
No, I don't want your stupid loan. None of this is real. It's all dumb.
Preach!
No, not you. You're the most wrong still, somehow. You guys don't even know how to move these shares, any of you.
Vic will give me his login and I'll set it up for him. Tax-free. People do it all the time.
That's...
Vic, give me your login.
My work email, password temporary, no capitals.
Vic, on paper.
My God. They're anyone's now. I don't even know where I am. It's showing me the potential value of my unvested shares in 2066.
Stuck in his tax forms from last year.
I'm playing Minesweeper with Vic's login.
Are you claiming 14 dependents?
Almost there, you twerps.
Rats in a capitalist maze. Just Venmo me when you figure it out.
Don't know what that is.
Hey, it's Vic. Vic smashing my sandwich. Just taking a nice bite, throwing it away. You're gonna pour my water is going to go right on top. Just totally unsavable. Didn't even want to keep that bite in, huh? What the F, man?
Had to make sure it wasn't bugged. You weren't followed, were you?
Yeah, by you, apparently. Why?
You're the only one I can trust.
Really?
Oh, you're the only one I can manipulate.
There it is.
Regardless, there's been some chatter.
Why are you barefoot?
Better traction. My soles are so rough I could walk straight up your body. Scale ya with my scaly dogs.
What do you want, Vic?
Have you heard of El Cajon?
The neighborhood in San Diego?
It's Espanol for the box.
It's Spanish for the drawer. It's the cubicle songs would be written about if cubicles inspired songs, and thanks to layoffs, it's available again.
'Tis a haven between a confluence of cool breeze from the air conditioner and direct sunlight, creating a subtropical microclimate. That's natural light, friend. Nap quality light.
But Bob has pawned this off on me, so I'm supposed to decide who gets the desk, and the pressure is unbearable, okay? I mean, people are eyeballing me hard.
This is so easy. Just give it to me.
No. See, I'm confiding in you because you're not eligible, okay? You're on set all the time. The person who gets el cajon has to be in office.
Sure, but I want it.
Yeah, everybody does. This is big.
Who cares?
How dare you? Child slaves mind the cobalt in your phone battery.
I mean, obviously I care about that, but I don't see the connection.
Expiate your guilt by helping me. I'm gonna go register our interest with Sasha, okay? You show up a few minutes later to make it seem natural. And if she gives us any guff, we'll eyeball the sucker.
No, I will come a few nothings never because I absolutely will not be there.
Well, I'm glad you're on board.
Wait, so you do have a phone. What about the child laborers?
These cloth grocery bags cancels it out.
Hey, Gina, what's up? Yeah, how you doing, girl?
El Cajon, eh? Interessant.
Hey, Dina.
Lucy, how much have you heard?
El Cajon, interessant. But that sentence is mostly gibberish. And yes, I easily inferred your meaning, but I'm not going to do anything with the information, so no need to freak out.
For your cooperation.
Okay.
We know about the box.
Box? From Lost, because that was honestly more of a hatch, and that show was on years ago. So it's why are you bringing it up now? That's super weird right now. Don't do that.
Don't play dumb with me. If anything, Lost is more relevant now than it's ever been. And I'm talking about El Cajon.
You mean the drawer?
Wait, is there like a fancy new drawer available too? Is it like an Indian in the cupboard situation?
No, I'm talking about the cubicle.
Damn it! Got a lot of questions for this guy. Found him in a murder scene.
What?
What?
How did you find out about the cubicle?
Taylor periscopes all of his conversations.
Taylor! Okay. Well, if you tuned into our most recent conversation, you would know that you are not eligible. You are not in office enough.
Ha! I already thought of that. Lucy and I are gonna split it. She's in the office every day. You can't survive direct sunlight. It's the obvious choice. Besides, you know I have the worst desk area here. It's unlivable.
That is because you have a family of Syrian refugees staying at your desk.
As is my moral duty. Anyway, once Bob goes on his post-lunch jog, Lucy and I will already be moving into our shared desk space. And then it'll be a done deal. Squatters' rights.
Did you know that Bob just changes into his jogging outfit and then sits in his car eating protein bars alone?
What?
Yeah,
How does he get so sweaty?
I think it's the protein bars.
Does that make you sweaty?
I mean, he eats a lot of them, so I don't know.
Oh, hello. What was that all about?
Oh, it's just standard intensity.
Because it better not have been about El Cajon.
El what? The cake? The what?
El Cajon, the testicle, singular of cojones.
I don't think that's what that means.
Because the best cubicle in the office should go to the one most deserving. One accustomed to luxury. One who merits such a fine testicle.
Okay, you're making me very uncomfortable.
Listen, pal, you can't let Vic push you around like this. You can't go through life acquiescing to everyone. Say okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. So you'll betray Vic and back my play with Bob. No. You said okay, that's a verbal contract. If you back out now, I will sue your ass.
Taylor!
sick. I never felt more alive. Just adrenaline's just like coursing through my body.
You're lucky. I need an IED and a popper to get those glands to open.
I know. Some people would say not to push our luck so recently following massive layoffs. But I have a good feeling about this.
There it is. Under the multicolored pinata. Just as the legend/directory foretold.
That's it, huh? All right. I will arrange our tchotchkes. If you see Bob, you just tell him that we misunderstood, we've already moved in, and too bad no backsies.
Bingo. Now make sure to put my bullets next to my fertility statue with the odd genitals. Okay, they're a set. And put this in the drawer.
Probably not gonna do any of that.
Poke holes in the drawer.
See.
Going somewhat? Somewhere, damn it!
Too late, politifascist. I got a comrade on the inside.
You're not the only one, Mustard Stain.
What? Where?
Everywhere. On all the clothes you wear. It's honestly insane.
Yeah, that all sounds fine. I'll have facilities take care of it. I'm gonna go grab a crisp 6. Miles, not protein bars. That would be a whole box, which would be ridiculous. Who would eat a whole box?
Ah, my little bird, my very own workplace Varys. Is the foul deed done, you beautiful eunuch, you?
Sasha, sold us out.
No.
You didn't? I knew I couldn't trust you. You took it all for yourself, didn't you, you filthy eunuch, you?
No.
Lucy, there's handcuffs in the box. Latch yourself to the desk.
No! Listen! Okay? I knew there was no way to equally divvy up El Cajon, okay? So, I made it into our chill zone, our new chill zone. The facilities is even gonna put a beanbag chair in there, so we're all just gonna be a bunch of pals sharing.
Is there a key to these cuffs?
Sasha, you know what El Cajon is Spanish for?
Well, there are several translations.
Yeah, there are.
There's the box, the drawer,
Yeah.
coffin.
That's it. That's it.
That was self-defense, I saw it. He was standing his ground.
Hey, everybody, how's it going? Just toppled right on over. We bringing it down? Bringing it down party in here, guys. This is nice. All the way down, she says. All right.
Help.
This is fun.
Help me.
Woo!
Oh, there you are. You responded to my DM, VM, tweets, Oculus Rift posts, or Instagram tags. You basically ruined the shoot.
I'm dying.
It's true, sir. She is.
It's rude. I know what my next Tay Talk's gonna be about. Friends you can't count on.
Ow, my wound.
Counts. Maybe Dracula's. I haven't decided yet. You're dead to me, by the way. Peace!
I might be dead to everyone.
Well, not yet.
But like soon.
Is everything okay?
Really great.
Okay. Working hard, then? The hardest.
Not as hard as me, though.
Rock hard about this work.
Good. Continue that.
Yep. Oh!
Does anybody have any more health serums?
You mean the serums I worked hard for and brewed myself? Yes, many.
Can I have one? Like just a serum?
That depends. Is this game called Legends of Battle Demon Age or Welfare of Serum, Sasha, the Dana story?
Sasha, you can have one of mine. Technically, it's a tonic, but...
White Knight to the rescue. Lucy, I thought you were playing a great dwarfling. They're miserly.
We're on the same team. Sasha, you can just pay me back the value in gold plus 12% now. Let's get going before these clanners ambush us.
Hey, so, well, you all said that you were working at varying degrees of hardness earlier. That's objectively never been true, so what are you actually working on?
Working on playing drugs. Doing drugs. For a piece. On doing drugs.
Which drugs?
Pills.
Good. Pills are trending now. Taylor, what about you?
I'm vlogging.
Yes, your job description is almost entirely to vlog, but what is it on?
It's like a combination Talk, rant, rave, haul video about my videos.
Great. People will eat that shit right up. Hey, people want to watch you watching videos of yourself. That's no judgment from me. At least no externalized judgment from me. How's social?
A lot of interaction with enemy clanners.
Hmm?
A lot of interaction.
Good. Lucy, what about you? What are you working
Lion
on?
King, Pulp Fiction.
If those words hope to be a sentence one day, they're going to need some help. Articles, verbs, and so on.
How Lion King and Pulp Fiction are problematic.
Things are problematic. True. Freddie?
Games are more fun with friends.
That's probably true. How about you, Dana? Are you working on anything in particular?
Bob, are you questioning my integrity? Last I checked, we live in a country called the United States of America. And in that country, there is something called the Bill of
fine.
Rights.
Good. Yes, stop it. Keep up the good work. I don't know why I ever doubted you. I mean, I do, and I was justified in doing so, but that said, end of sentence.
I'm at the base. I passed some sentries. They're dead now. Come on, let's do this. Let's go.
Wait, no, I'm almost healed up. Dana, can you give me some of those serums you've been handing out willy-nilly?
Lucy, give Fred your hard-earned serum.
This game is kind of problematic.
All right, calm down.
All right, if you are not at the base in the next 5 seconds, you are left behind. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Let's go. We have to get those enemy clanners away from our fucking base.
The content up on the site in loads by loading it. Taylor, how's that video coming?
Hey, thanks for watching that awesome thing. Like and subscribe for more examples of what you just watched.
The truly insidious thing about Simba shaming is John.
Stop it. Just stop.
I have nothing to hide. This game is amazing.
You're never going to reach their barricade without an explosion near level 6 or higher.
Oh my God, he's right.
That twist was amazing.
It's a very simple game, guys.
You know, I'm actually pretty into this fake article I'm writing. Bob, do you want to hop in, play around for me?
I would, but I actually have to hire a new staff that will do their jobs instead of comically lie to me, so no.
I didn't lie. I'm on doing pills.
Then, where's your piece?
Aha! See, we are all doing legitimate pop cultural research into the zeitgeist. You can't fire us for that. It's an outrage. We live in a country called the United States of America.
Okay, everyone knows where everyone lives. Fine, just do work. Do real work. Please.
Hey, Tots, today I'm going to teach you about how to sneak video games at work and what to do if you get caught. Hint, vlog about it.
Taylor gets it. So, this might actually be pretty good.
It is good.
You're all wondering, why'd I call this meeting?
I actually called this meeting. It's about the water in our building. It's tainted with...
My thing's more urgent, though.
It's not one thing that kills us, it's another. The meeting is yours.
All right. I will, well, I'll try to be brief. First, there was nothing.
Skip ahead.
Are there any questions?
Skip behind.
I have a plan to revolutionize this office.
That's probably fine.
But it's gonna take us all pulling together for a common cause for the first time ever.
What? I can't believe that we've never worked together as a team.
So the next step in the team building exercise, once you are fully tied, okay, this isn't mandatory, but it is highly recommended that we take the trust thread and we pass it to the person we trust the lead. Where did that chair come from?
How long since the drill started?
8 bubble slams ago.
I can see them in there. Vic just put on noise-canceling headphones.
Yeah.
Hello? Hi!
Boom! Nine bubble slams. 9 bubble slams.
Unsubscribe.
Good cardigan.
You should move your box.
Obviously.
What you want to get him on the table? You wanted to. Why don't you turn this clay into a dreidel? You wanted to. When I make him soup, I use my ladle. You wanted to.
I don't think you.
Aside from the fact that we are a business and we should be working together, there is actually a very real human spiritual cost to societal alienation.
Which is why we need this now more than ever. Let me ask you this. At the end of the day, what does everybody deep down in their balls and oves really want?
Fewer meetings.
Legalize it. All of it.
My oves want a more sensitive and comfortable working environment where we don't talk about sex, organs, or illegal substances.
A slowed down video of Sasha flossing.
Maybe a car accident that paralyzes but doesn't kill me. It wasn't my fault. That's the important thing. A cop hit me, a drunk cop.
Big surprise.
Well, no one can get mad at me if I don't work out or play with my kids or have a job, because, hey, my arms and legs don't work. Maybe work on your excuse, buddy.
No, none of those, you morons. Opportunity.
Freddie, did you call a meeting to pitch us opportunity as a concept and then call us morons?
I called this meeting to change your life.
That's what cult leaders say. I'm in.
I actually called this meeting.
Hashtag fewer meetings is now trending on 4 different social platforms. I did that. Wrap this up in 3 minutes or I'll have my army of tailor tots dox every single person in this room, which is where they send you so many pictures of dachshund puppies that your computer crashes.
That is very cute.
Mouth true.
Listen! We have an opportunity, people. An opportunity to hire an intern.
What? Where did you hear that?
Been casually intercepting your emails as a hobby? I assumed you knew that.
Bob, you are always on your phone. What are you doing if you're not reading work emails?
I don't think my phone gets emails.
I vote the intern is my assistant.
I vote she's my assistant.
Could be a boy.
Oh. Protege, then.
I could use someone to help me manage my calendar.
Fuck your calendar. I need the intern to help with my finances.
That's not even work related.
I need it. I have 6 bored, aimless daughters. Do you have any idea how expensive college is going to be for me?
Scholarships or something.
They're pretty stupid. My 6 daughters are deeply stupid.
Can we forget about your idiot daughters for a second?
Even Evelyn? She's here right now.
Especially Evelyn. Everyone, look, this is exactly why I called the meeting. Nested within the meeting that Bob called. Meetingception, bwah!
Meeting ducking.
Meetings within meetings.
So instead of a turkey mixed with a duck and a chicken, it's a meeting mixed with a duck and a chicken?
Mouth truth.
Okay.
The point is, if we all try to get the intern, then we're gonna fight and argue and riff so much that we won't get the position approved, and then nobody gets him. Or her.
Deal breaker.
Deal breaker.
Has to be a him.
She needs a man.
Do you see how fast we're off the rails already? Okay, we need to focus, pull together, and write a job description that encompasses all the worst parts of our jobs. We will design a position that handles scheduling, expense reports, coffee runs, all the parts of my job that I don't like to do, and bonus, Bob, you're gonna like this, whatever Bob's thing from earlier was about the water, I think. About the taps. Yeah, that's right, buddy. The intern will do it all. We have a chance to build our own work dumpster.
Oh! Work dumpster can post news to Snapchat.
Work dumpster could screen all my interview subjects, weed out all the weirdos, send them all to me.
Worky dump will do it all, as long as we make them together without paying them. Together. Applause break. And thus concludes my presentation. Any questions, comments, award nominations?
Too late. The position's been filled. Yeah, hired my buddy Zane. He's not really an internet guy, but he can grind a 12-stair handrail, or at least he wants to. Anyway, he starts tomorrow. I'll be honest, I checked out of this meeting when you said we could hire an intern, and then I went and hired an intern since I'm the only one here who seems to make any money. Oh, snap, was that bad?